Having an appointment system is just as necessary as having a payment method connected to your site. In this tutorial, we're going to help you set up an account with Calendly, the most popular scheduling provider available today. We are going to implement it on our site using a simple URL, without any advanced integrations for now. In the future, we may integrate it through the API within our Atrium Cloud and Atrium Health ecosystem. Let's click the Get Started button. Unlike previous tutorials, in this specific case, we actually need to create the account using Google. Just make sure you use the Google account associated with your business or personal project to maintain consistency. Calendly relies heavily on Google services, especially Google Calendar, to manage and book appointments. Although signing up with email or Microsoft is also possible, Google is the recommended option here. Click on Continue with Google. Follow the authentication process and allow the necessary permissions. You should allow access to your Google Calendar so Calendly can manage appointments correctly. That's it. You are almost done. If you forgot to grant access to Google Calendar, don't worry, Calendly will prompt you again. You may see a questionnaire like this one. It might look different in the future or disappear entirely. Simply answer the questions based on your situation and click Next. In this section, we are ready to set your schedule. A very important step is choosing the correct time zone. Calendly needs this reference to synchronize your availability with your clients. There are different ways for calls or meetings to take place, including in-person appointments. Just select the option that matches your actual needs. You can always modify it later. Calendly is now setting up your account. Great! Your registration is complete. If you click the Copy Link button, you'll get the URL you can share with clients and the one you'll place inside your dashboard with us. You may also send it privately, or share it in a WhatsApp or Telegram group if applicable. To edit your schedule, click on Edit. At the top, you can adjust the duration. After changing it, remember to rename the event as well. Calendly offers other useful features, such as customizing branding, greeting messages, payment methods, and more. Explore their platform and it will quickly become familiar. You've done a great job. You are now one step closer to building a professional online presence. See you in the next video.